Dear brothers and sisters, before we start our reflection, let us welcome our pilgrims and our dear faithful from the Tipas Catholic School in Taguig City. Naroon po sila sa likod. We welcome the administrators, teachers, parents, and their dear students. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. As a heads up, today's gospel wishes not to say that Jesus is already rejecting Mary as his mother and his brothers and sisters to be his disciples. But this scene teaches us something unique about the Lord. To those around his circle, he looked at them and said, "Here are my brothers, my mothers, and my sisters. For whoever does the will of God is my brother and sister and the mother." Those around him may not really be known people. Pupwedeng mga simpleng taong sumunod o patuloy na nakikinig lamang ito kay Jesus. Pero kinilala niya ang mga ito, simple man sila, dahil nakikinig at ginagawa ang kalooban ng Diyos na parte ng kanyang pamilya. We always see ourselves around this circle. We come to celebrate daily Mass, we come to pray, we break and open the Word of God to those around us, and He is giving us, all of us, His little and unworthy people, to be part of this family. We know that we have our own incapacities and sins, but He willed that we belong to Him. We celebrate today the memorial of Saint Thomas Aquinas. For the many titles that the Church gave him, or titles attributed to him, he was called a dumb ox. Malaki pong tao si Santo Tomas. He kept on sleeping during classes. His confreres, his brothers in the convent, says that he is always out of his mind. But those things did not hinder or freeze the gift of hope to Thomas Aquinas. He persevered in prayer and in studies. And that is why, from being a dumb ox, he was known to be the angelic doctor of our church. God saw in Thomas his incapacities. He was too small and too frail, but he embraced Thomas and made him his own. We may see ourselves as undeserving and unworthy to be part of this family of Jesus. But to little ones, to those in need, to those who struggle like us every day, He wishes that we be part of this circle. We may see our unworthiness, but Jesus wishes us to be part of Him. We may be little and weak, but all the more, Jesus wants us to be part of Him.